Are your leadership strategies robust enough to prevent carelessness from turning into a cybersecurity catastrophe? Welcome to Cyber Broadcast, episode 148. Today, we dissect the risk that negligent employees pose to cybersecurity and the measures that boards and executives need to enforce to prevent these avoidable breaches from taking place. Negligence is often the result of complacency and lack of awareness, and it causes over 56% of cyber breaches. Incidents of negligence can be alarmingly simple, yet devastating in their repercussions. One networking company, Ubiquiti Networks, sent a payment of $46.7 million after an email supposedly sent by its CEO, while the Financial Times reported that a total of billions of dollars has been lost to similar scams so far, highlighting how a single point of human error can compromise an organization's integrity and trust at the highest levels. Here's how boards and executives can fortify their defenses against negligent employees. First, leadership and education and policy reinforcement. Boards must establish and continuously reinforce comprehensive cybersecurity policies. Ensure that all employees, especially at the management level, are educated on the importance of these policies and understanding the implications of their actions. Second, executive enforcement of rigorous protocols. Executives must enforce rigorous protocols and conduct regular audits to ensure compliance with cybersecurity best practices. Integrate cybersecurity awareness into the operational ethos of the company to mitigate the risk of carelessness. 3. Continuous cybersecurity training. Implement an ongoing training program from the board down that keeps pace with the latest security threats and best practices. Stress the importance of every employee's role in maintaining cybersecurity and cultivate a culture where vigilance is part of the organizational DNA. Fourth, prompt incident management. In case of a negligent act, have a clear and prompt incident management and response plan that includes not only IT, but also HR and legal departments. This ensures immediate and effective action to contain and rectify any breach. Negligence in cybersecurity can stem from a simple lack of knowledge or attention to detail. It is the responsibility of both boards and executives to create an environment where cybersecurity is a shared responsibility and carelessness is not an option. Tune in for episode 149, where we tackle the security evaders, those who bypass security for convenience, exposing your organization to threats. Until then, I'm Andrei Setnarski, and this is Cyber Broadcast by CyberNation Central, empowering leaders like you to turn employee oversight into an opportunity for reinforcing cyber resilience.